Creating a character AI involves combining storytelling with technical development to design a unique interactive personality. Start by defining the character's core traits. Consider their backgrounds, goals, values, and emotions. This foundation helps shape how the AI will respond in different situations, ensuring its behavior is consistent and authentic to its persona. A strong backstory enhances the character's depth and makes interactions feel more engaging. And also, once the character's personality is defined, consider the type of interaction you want. Will the AI engage in casual conversation, assist with as a guide or virtual assistance? The AI's role will influence the tone, complexity, and nature of its responses. It's important to choose a communication style that matches the character's role, whether, formal, humorous, conversational. You got to decide. On the technical side, character AI often relies on natural language progressing to understand and generate the human-like responses. Platforms like TensorFlow or OpenAI provides tools for conversational models that adapt and learn from user inputs. I'll put it in the description. Incorporating machine learning techniques can help the character improve over time, creating more personalized interactions. And finally, testing and refining the AI is crucial. Regularly assess its responses. Regularly assess its responses and programming to ensure that it behaves consistently how you want it to and is able to engage users effectively.